Hello, we're going to do a quick demonstration of the Yellow Page Power Tool. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to use so you can see it for yourself. So you open up the tool. First thing you got to do is decide whether you're looking for a business or for people. Let's go ahead and hit Find a Business. Put in what we're looking for. In this case, we're going to be doing some marketing to law offices, so we'll put in attorney. And we're going to just go ahead and do, now you can do city, state, zip, or one or all three of those. In this case, the cool thing is too, you can also just go by entire state if you wanted to. So in this case, we'll put Texas, hit find. You'll see that it comes back with results really quickly. Tells you how many there are in the database. In this case, there's 50,190 results in the online white page database. Now, to get that data and put it into your own database so you can use it with your various marketing tools to carry out your campaigns, all you really have to do is hit Get Data. As you'll see, what it's going to do, it's going to query the database and starts pulling those records back down into your own database here in the tool. Now, it will put in the category, the name, address, city, state, zip, phone number. The other interesting thing it's going to do here is it's looking to see if they have websites, and it's querying those websites and stripping out the email addresses that are found there as well. Now, what we like to do with these lists to start out with, and really with any list, even if you were getting one from a broker, is we do a simple knockdown call. We call the number, confirm the information. We usually have a script that goes like this. We say we're planning to invite the owner of the business to an upcoming event, one to confirm and get his information from you. And then you confirm the information, and now you've got good valid data. You could also confirm or do other qualifying questions as well at that point. But the nice thing about this is that for a quarter of what it would cost you to buy a list of 1,000 or 2,000 records from a broker, you can own this application. And you don't have to wait for them to get you the list and do all the queries and the whole sales pitch and all that stuff. You can just, it can be an idea you come up with at 2 o'clock in the morning. You open up the tool, do your query, get your data. Within a half an hour to an hour, you've got several hundred that you can use. You can get them in any quantity. You can go for 50,000, or you can just do it at 500 at a time. And then you take that, and then once you have the data here, all you have to do to get it into a CSV format is hit Export Results. Now, this is a trial version, so it is limited, and it does not let you export the results. It only pulls back up to 30 items. So it just gives you a flavor of what it can do, and then it will run on your PC, and so you can get familiar with the features of it. But this is the full-blown product. You could get your list and be off to the races within a half an hour, and off to making money, which is what you want to do. So the other nice thing I like about the white page tool, other than the fact that it has a larger database than the Yellow Page or even the Google Map tool, which is the B2B tool, but you can also query for people, which is interesting. So if you're doing business to consumer marketing, B2C, you could search in here and get records as well on individual people. Now, it does not, you have to have the last name. So you'd have to do this by, you could, for instance, put in Smith, and let's find all the Smiths in Oakland, California, for instance. Same deal, you hit find. It comes back with results. Shows you there's more than 100. There's probably a whole bunch. Hit Get Data, and the tool starts pulling those record items off of there for you and putting it into your database. Now, the thing with the consumer records is the consumer records aren't going to include a web address. They're going to include a name, address, city, state, zip. They do include, in many cases, the phone numbers as well, which is nice. And that's it. Same deal. You'd hit Export Results. throw it into Constant Contact or Act or ConnectWise, TigerPaw, Autotask, whatever it is you're using to run your campaigns, and you're off to the races. It saves you a ton of money. It's faster. It's better. Better data, I think, and so much more flexibility and so much cheaper. I encourage you to go to myitapp.com, register, and download a free trial, load it on your PC, check it out for yourself, and hope to see you and use it and to better your business.